Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You already have what matters, a working SIM and the carrier's APN values. Now go straight to Settings, Network and Internet, then Mobile Network. Tap Advanced and choose Access Point Names. Once there, press the plus icon to create a new APN or select the existing one to edit. Make sure you copy the current name and APN fields to a note first. This prevents lockout if the new settings fail, and it speeds restoration later. Now enter each field carefully because small differences break connectivity. Type the name and APN exactly. Paste MMSC, MMS proxy, and port if given. Make sure MCC and MNC match your SIM. These identify the network. Then set authentication type and APN type to values like default, supple, MMS when required. If the carrier says leave fields blank, do so. Once complete, hit Save. Then tap the new APN. After saving, select the APN and toggle mobile data off and back on, or flick airplane mode for a few seconds to re-register to the network. If data or MMS don't work, reboot the phone and try a web page and an MMS send. If problems persist, reset network settings or re-enter MCC/MNC and check for stray spaces. These common typos block connection. If none of that helps, contact your carrier and read aloud the APN fields so they can confirm the official values.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.